2019 Toyota Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, trip computer, rear window defroster, compass, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, power windows, security system, heated front seats, power moonroof, brake assist, remote keyless entry. Come see the car for yourself.